In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV data into Python. By the end, you'll know several reliable ways to bring comma-separated data into your script, along with practical tips to avoid common hiccups. First, open your command prompt or terminal. This is where we'll run a couple of quick commands. Make sure you know where your CSV file is saved, or keep it in the same folder as the script you're running so paths stay simple. Next, install the pandas library. In the terminal, type pip install pandas and press enter. If your system uses a different Python alias, you might use pip3 instead. Pandas is a powerful data analysis toolkit, and it makes working with CSVs fast and convenient. Now, let's do the basic import with pandas. In your Python file or interactive shell, import pandas as PD, then read your file with df ace pd.read csv your file.csv. Pandas will automatically treat the first row as headers if they're present, guess data types, and handle common delimiters. If your file uses something other than commas, you can add delimiter settings like sep isols. To sanity check the result, print df head to preview the first few rows and use df info to see column types. If you run into decoding issues, try adding encoding UTF-8 or the correct encoding for your file. If you prefer not to add external dependencies, Python's built-in CSV module works well. Start with import CSV, then open the file using a with statement and create a csv.reader. Iterating over that reader gives you each row as a list of strings. This approach is lightweight and great for simple parsing, but you'll typically convert values to numbers yourself and manage headers manually. To make the built-in module even more readable, use CSV DictReader. DictReader maps the first row of your CSV to dictionary keys, so each subsequent row is a dictionary where you can access values by column name. It's especially handy when you care about columns by label rather than position, and it keeps your code self-documenting. Finally, if your CSV is purely numerical and you want speed and arrays, NumPy is an efficient alternative. You can load data with functions like numpy.loadtxt, specifying the delimiter and skipping the header row if needed. This produces a NumPy array that's perfect for numerical computation and integrates nicely with scientific workflows. That's it. Open the terminal, install pandas, import with pandas for convenience, fall back to the CSV module for standard library solutions, use DictReader for named access, and reach for NumPy when performance with numeric arrays matters.